This 1970 Chevrolet El Camino SS 454 LS6 Tribute packs a 4-speed Muncie transmission, a 12-bolt 331 geared positraction rear end, and is the product of an extensive 2-year frame-off restoration. Painted in gorgeous Cranberry Red, it sports a proper factory-style Cowl induction hood with factory-style hood pins, an all-new interior with original deluxe black bucket seats and a aHurst 4-speed shifter. The car has received all-new chrome, stainless steel, glass, and weather stripping. This vehicle features power steering, power brakes, full factory gauges including tachometer, clock, and upgraded factory-style radio. Original-style badging and emblems can be found on the exterior. Original-style Super Sport wheels with BF Goodrich TA Radial tires are on all 4 corners. Peek under the hood and you'll discover a 454 cubic inch 4-bolt main V8, including a date-coded 512 block with LS6 specs featuring a steel crank, square port cylinder heads, solid lifters, and a GM intake, all paired to a Muncie M24 speed transmission, as well as a 12-bolt 331 geared positraction rear axle. The factory-style dual exhaust, including resonators with factory chrome tips, will bring you right back to 1970. It should be noted that this El Camino has been a Southern Alabama car all of its life. Embrace the classic muscle car style and iconic name that comes with this LS6 El Camino Super Sport today. Contact LRA Auto Sales at 215-781-3790 or email sales@lrasales.com.